Hello everyone, I'm Rashmi Pandey. I'm the Academic Guidance Counselor at Empyrean School. My role here is to empower learners to find their passion, set meaningful goals, and navigate their journeys for more fulfilling careers. We at Empyrean believe that every student has a unique potential. Therefore, in my practice, I prioritize helping the learners understand what their potentialities are, what their aspirations are, their strengths and interests as well. I do this through personalized guidance, psychometric assessments, and meaningful conversations. Now, I personally believe that career success isn't just about identifying that one career that fits you the best or finding the right path. It's also about being ready for that journey, right? So in my practice, again, I prioritize helping the learners build that essential skill set, be it adaptability, problem solving, or even communication, so that when they go out in the world, they are ready for whatever life throws at them. How do I go about this entire process of career awareness? This is basically done by a bunch of activities that take place throughout their academic years of the learners. It involves various sessions. Some I take, others we call industry experts, so that the learners could directly gain from their wisdom and whatever hands-on experiences they've had. We have a Career Quest workbook, which allows learners to have a more personalized exploration, not just about themselves, but also about their different academic aspects and also different careers, right? So by helping the learners understand and go through all of this process, we ensure that they're really confident about what they might face in the world in the future. Besides this, we also have an internship program that allows the students to apply whatever they have learned in the classroom to real life setting, ensuring that gap between classroom and boardroom is bridged. Besides exposure, skill development, I also actively help them make informed decisions, be it about their subjects or any aspect of higher education. By exposing them to different resources, industry insights, and mentorship, we ensure that they're ready for whatever life throws at them. Career counseling as such isn't a very simple process. It's complex in its nature, so it cannot be limited just to the learner and the counselor. There are a lot of people involved in a learner's life, so collaboration therefore becomes very central to my practice and whatever role I have here. I work with a lot of parents, teachers, and every stakeholder that's involved in the career decision making to ensure that a learner has a very strong support system. In this way, by working together, we basically help them incorporate the learning and different tools that we impart them with, or the knowledge or wisdom that we impart them with, and ensure that they are making a really strong impact on the world in the future. So I am really grateful to be a part of this journey. Like I said, it's a very big decision. You are genuinely discussing your entire career path and life direction with somebody. So I'm extremely grateful that the students and the parents and the school is able to entrust me with that. And I'm really excited about this journey, and I'm there to help them and be there for them all throughout the way.